Supplemented is for order that is being filed.
May I please, Your Lord? For correction of, can you see the page 8, paragraph 6, my lord?
Page 8
Page 8,
of,
paragraph 6.
of the IA.
I am, my lord. But correction in the order, my lord. But she passed on 8/8/2024.
Which
There was,
page in the paragraph in the order?
my lord, my
In
lord,
the order.
yes, my lord. My lord, in order, page 18, my lord. 18, my lord, paragraph 15, uh, 7th number paragraph, 7th number line, my lord. Number 1, the secretary to the Gopal of Assam. It was, my lord, secretary, commissioner and secretary should be there, my lord. Commissioner, not secretary, my lord. Commissioner Panchayat, Gopal of
Commissioner
Assam.
and secretary.
There was commissioner secretary
You have varied,
in advantage, my lord.
you have varied as commissioner and secretary. See your page number 11.
Yes, my lord.
Ah.
I prayed for, my lord, correction of title of the
In your course title, you have varied commissioner and secretary.
secretary, my lord.
So what went into the order is secretary.
No, my lord. It should be only commissioner, my lord. I wrongly, my lord, inserted
Maybe, but then
commissioner secretary, my lord. Therefore, I sought for a correction in the writ petition also,
we
my
have
lord.
already added, we have already made, you have sought for correction where? In the writ petition.
In the writ petition
After disposal.
as well as, my lord, writ petition, my lord.
After disposal, we would not like to correct. Yes, madam, what do you say? Commissioner, secretary, what?
Commissioner.
Commissioner.
Be commissioner, my lord. Advertently, my lord, I did mistake, my lord.
What is, why do you need a correction? I don't understand. Why?
Because, my lord, commissioner don't
All right,
want
heard.
to.
Mr. E.J. Akil N. Bora,
And Bora.
standing counsel, IAS praying for correction of the order passed by this court in WPC number passed by this court by the order dated 8/8/2024 passed in WPC 5148 of 2020. By the said order, the writ petition was disposed of with the following direction. 15, para 15 and 16, 17. So, when a counsel for the applicant submits that while disposing of the writ petition, the court had directed the respondent number 1 to examine the matter in the light of the earlier order dated 26/08/2019 passed in WPC 5843 of 2014, taking into account the claims of the petitioner as well as licenses stated to have been issued by the secretary Pinakandi Ancholik Panchayat Boka, which is stated to be still subsisting. So, Para Learned Counsel for the applicant submits that the respondent number 1, the writ petition ought to have been commissioner, Department of Panchayat and Rural Development. However, it was, however, the respondent number 1 was added as commissioner and secretary to the government of Panchayat and Rural Development Department. Learned counsel for the petition submits was wrongly carried. However, stop. Wrongly carried. Stop. The respondent number one ought to have been Commissioner, Department of Panchayat and Rural Development of Assam, or Commissioner to the Government of Assam, Department of Panchayat and Rural Development. Stop. He further submits that in para 15 of the said order, the respondent number one directed while directing the respondent number one, the direction is issued to the secretary to the Government of Assam, Panchayat and Rural Development Department, when the direction ought to have been issued to the Commissioner, Panchayat and Rural Development Department of the therefore that the I has been filed for making the necessary correction in the order dated with past in the
One small correction in in paragraph 15, my lord, last 29, it should be 26, my lord. Date. Typographical mistake, my lord.
paragraph.
15, last line.
It is also pointed out that the date of the order 26/08/2019 passed in WP 584 has been wrongly mentioned as 29/08/2019 passed in WP 612. The same order required to be corrected. MS N. Bora Learned Standing Council, Panchayats, Rural Development Department does not object to the prayer made accordingly. The highest and allowed in the order dated
8,
8/8/2024
passed in, my lord, 5176.
8/8/2024 passed in WPC 5148 of 2020. The direction to respondent number one should be read as Commissioner to the
One side.
Panchayat and Rural Development Department of Assam instead of Secretary to the Government of Assam, Panchayat and Rural Development Department, as quoted in para 15 of the state order. Stop. Further, wherever the order dated 29/8/2019 passed in WPC 5843 of 2014 appeared, same should be read as 26/08/2019 passed in WPC. This order be read together with the order dated 8/8/2024 passed in WPC. I accordingly stand allowed at this point.
Next, same, my lord.
Same.
Yes, my lord. 51.
Same correction.
Same correction, my lord, only this one passed in WPC number 5176, my lord.
Point out the paragraph.
Paragraph 6, my lord. Similar
No, in the order.
in the order, my lord. 18, my lord.
15.
My lord. 15, my lord.
Uh,
Paragraph 15.
Same correction.
Same correction, same correction.
Then is there any other change? No.
No.
Same correction.
Same correction.
Disposed.
My lord, I slightly out, my lord, mistake is there in the earlier. I said 5176. It should be 5148. The earlier.
Earlier.
Item 21, my lord.
All right, we'll verify that. Yes.
Obliged. Most probably.
120.
Any instructions, Mr. Kolita?
Lordship, actually I have checked the records and all files, Lordship. Lordship, we have filed these affidavits. In the affidavit, Lordship will find that GM's letter is there. There they have mentioned about the field report. And that hasn't been disputed by them, Lordship. As far as Lordship non-functioning thing is, that is not disputed.
All right. So
But-
whatever is there in the affidavit,
Yes, sir,
Civil.
that will suffice.
Nothing
Sir.
further.
That will be suffice.
the council of the party.
Lordship, in the last order, you directed us to furnish the detail of the petition.
The hearings are concluded, judgment reserved. Yes.
All right.
Keep a detailed detail of my. Yes.
23 to
Lordship, Mr. Mishra is on legs in another court, if I may address the court.
Yes.
Lordship, on the last date, we had furnished a list to this court that the matters which are related to input tax credit availment under
The report, please. Where is the list? Yeah.
Lordship, there were some orders which were passed by the GST authorities stating that there was a time limit to avail input tax credit under section 16(4) of the GST Act. And since the assessees has availed the input tax credit after that time limit, so they will not be entitled to that.
You're addressing your matters or Mr. the other gentleman's matter also?
Lordship, these lists are all related to 16(4) matters. I am addressing all of them, Lordship.
You are addressing all of them.
Lordship,
But we don't see 64 matter.
those are all 16(4) matters,
You can
Lordship.
point out the matters that can be closed.
That's what we wanted.
That are, all those matters can be closed, Lordship.
You can speak the item.
No, we wanted you to make a total compilation, irrespective of which council represents
We had furnished the details, Lordship.
to whom, by email.
Both the advocates,
They have given
CGST as well as SGST.
item number 20, 23, 24.
Have you furnished to the court master by email?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Yep. I'm told the document is not being able to
It
be
did not
downloaded.
open, Lordship, but it was sent by mail, Lordship.
So you can resend it by whatever regular format is there. You
Lordship.
must have sent it by HTML or something.
No, Excel, Microsoft Excel, Lordship.
Excel.
Excel.
So- Huh? Take it, video.
एक तो कोणी करनी और तो खत्म कर दी.
Microsoft Word 90. Excel क्यों ना?
For the in principle satisfaction of this court, Lordship,
Yes, yes.
if I may please address. Lordship, 16(4) stated a time limit as per the department. So accordingly, they passed these demand orders that you have availed the input tax credit after the prescribed time limit. So those will not be admissible to you. So you need to pay back the input tax credit which were inadmissible to you, but you have claimed it. So all these cases are related to such type of demands, Lordship, under section 16(4) of the GST Act.
Hmm.
Now, Lordship, in the budget announcement, they have inserted 16(5) after 16(4), Lordship. If I may furnish a copy to your Lordship.
Sixteen five, yes.
There is this Finance Act 2024, Lordship, which has been published on 16th of August 2024. If your Lordship peruses section 118 of the Finance Act, it says in section 16 of the Central Goods and Service Tax Act, with effect from the first day of July 2017, after subsection 4, the following subsection shall be inserted, namely, subsection 5, notwithstanding anything contained in subsection 4, in respect of an invoice or debit note for supply of goods or services or both
pertaining to financial year 17-18, 18-19, 19-20, and 20-21, the registered person shall be entitled to take input tax credit in any return under section 39, which is filed up to 30th day of November 2021. Now, Lordship, all the impugned orders contains the dates on which the assessees have filed the returns, and all the dates have been given in the chart furnished before this honorable court, which all the dates are before 30th day of November 2021, as per the admitted case of the respondents. So, in that view of the matter, Lordship, since 16.5 has been notified, all these orders can be quashed, and these matters can be closed, Lordship.
GST.
Lordship, amendment is not, here, this book contains the amendment.
It contains the amendment.
It's already over.
It's already out.
Okay.
With the amendment, it is already out,
Yes, Lord.
right?
Correct. No.
So under 16.4,
Lordship.
it was, there is a bar for getting the benefit to file any invoice or
Yes.
debit note after 30th of November.
Lordship. Following the financial year to which the invoice or debit note relates. Now that the common date has been given for 4 financial years, Lordship, 30th day of November 2021 by 16.5. So that all orders go away, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. K.
Yes, Lordship, this is the legal question. By operation of law, all orders become infructuous. This section has been notified by notification.
No, that's okay. But then not only the orders, then your the notices, show cause
Yes,
notice.
Yes,
Yes, Lord.
those also go,
They
Lordship.
will be entitled to take a ATC if they file their return by November 21.
So who makes the determination?
Lordship.
Who decides?
By operation of law, Lordship, the
Who will
department,
have to take, somebody will have to take a call that for all these years, it was 5 up to 30th of
If your Lordship can take item number 26, I like to point out, Lordship.
it is nice to satisfy.
Lordship,
Lordship.
26.
If I may intervene in between. Yeah, Lordship, I understand that department is in the process of issuing some circular clarifying about this. They have not officially come up with it
You're appearing for which matter?
for serial number
Which matter?
Item 69.
60?
69.
69.
69.
Okay, and who appears for 67? Item 67? All right. Are you submitting that your cases are different from?
No, cases are covered, Lordships. I understand that department is in the process of issuing a circular. So they propose to, by that, clarify that in all the cases where orders have been passed, people can file a rectification application and accordingly they will modify and drop the demand. That's how they want to implement this section. Nothing officially has come, but this is what from the GST Council meeting and all is coming out.
That is what I was asking Mr. KL.
Yes.
What is the process after setting aside this order by operation of law in what?
All the order will go, Lordship.
Not yet notified, Lordship.
No, that will go.
No, whether notification is required at all. But in case of once section 128A, where waiver of penalty and hazard is there, but in case of availing ITC, notice section has taken care of all the cases. If they have not filed their return by 30th of 21,
For that particular year,
yes,
then
now-
they are now entitled to file.
yes, now they are entitled to file
They
before
had
31st.
already
No,
filed.
we are not entitled to file,
Those-
Lordship.
They had
File
already
correct.
filed.
Those
What
so
they,
they will
those
get
are
the
already
benefit
filed.
now.
That's why the
Definitely,
notices are
definitely.
You have
issued.
already filed
Yes,
That's
they
why
have
notices
already
are
filed.
issued.
Those
Because
who have
I will,
filed, they will
Ah.
get benefit. Lord.
till 21st of November,
Yes, Lord. 30th
Yes.
November.
30th of
30th of
November,
November, sorry, 2021.
2021.
20.
So,
Your Lordship, there is that 54th GST Council meeting I have just furnished to your Lordship.
all right. Then you have to give us the list of matters which are covered by
Lordship,
this
it is
circular.
ready, Lordship. It has been furnished. We will again furnish one copy.
You tell us from the course list, we'll take it right away.
Yes, Lordship.
Here, tell us. 23,
20 list of Mishra has been furnished by me, Lordship.
Huh?
List of Mishra has been furnished by me, Lordship.
yes, I have received it, yes.
Item 23, Lord.
Ah.
Then 24. Okay, 34. Then 54. 54. Then 53.
What about item number 25?
25 is not covered,
Not
Lordship.
covered.
Xerox maker, Lord, 26, 28,
28,
26, and 28.
yes, then
Then 37,
37,
39,
38,
39,
38,
38.
Hmm?
38 also, Lordship.
38 also,
38, 39,
yes, then
57.
57.
57.
Hmm.
57.
Then Betalav,
50-51.
50.
Huh?
But for 50-51, Mr. Chauraria is appearing, but he'll address.
50-51,
Yes,
My lord, 50-51, I am appearing, my lord.
yes.
My lord, it will be my pleasure, my lord, if I appear, my lord, physically before your lordship, my lord. Any time after the working, my lord. Or, my lord, I am prepared also, my lord.
We are closing the matters because in view of the
No,
notification.
it's not an issue, my lord. My lord, my lord.
we-
But the issue is, the notice in respect under section 73 issued against me, my lord, in respect of a assessment period, my lord, 17-18. The notice is, my lord, lordship, it comes down to, my lord, the main petition, my lord, page number 30, my lord.
Yes. No, now in view of the amendment, tell us whether your grievances have been taken care of by the amendment.
My lord, no, my lord. My lord, there is no amendment as regards to 6. My lord, they have extended the period to assess me under section 168A, my lord. And thereafter, there are other 3 issues also, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, this was not the same issue as the previous one, my lord.
You are saying that there are other issues besides this amendment also raised in the writ.
No, I am not concerned with the amendment, my lord. I am not into the amendment, my lord. I am into the.
Matter may be segregated and we'll file our additional affidavit in
All right.
contest with the
Then we'll post it after vacation.
Lords.
No, but you said it is covered.
No, my lord.
Addressing
Oh.
your local council here,
no, Lord.
you're not.
As regard, he will be submitting in item number 69, Mr. Arun.
Well, similar matter, my lord,
Why
similar
don't you
matter
tell
for
us the
89.
matters which are we are closing certain matters. You tell us the
Look, these are not.
serial numbers of these matters.
No, these are not. 50,
Then why
51,
did
and
you refer
69,
these matters? Yes, 63, 64 and 66. Okay. And any other? Somebody mentioned 69.
69.
69, Mr.
69.
Arun.
Yeah,
That is-
69
It
is
is covered.
covered.
It is covered.
Huh?
It is covered, Lordship.
Yes. Okay. All right. So all these matters, item number 23, 24, 26, 28, 37, 38, 39, 57, 63, 64, 66, and 69. These matters stand disposed of in view of the amendment made. The rest of the matters to be listed after reviewing the report. What are the issues involved in the other matter?
Lordship, what happens is in the
Then why were they connected?
Lordship, they were connected because initially the challenge was to the extension of time limit of assessment force majeure, section 168A. All these petitions had challenged those. That's why they were connected initially, Lordship. But now, due to the subsequent amendments in the Finance Act, categories of the cases have been made. Some are related to 16(4), Lordship. The other categories are those cases in which the SSE chooses to pay the tax, but does not choose, but gets the relief of interest and penalty. Those will be another category. Now, the difficulty will lie with, Lordship, those orders in which there is a 16(4) demand also, and there is some other demand also.
Are there any matters like this here?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
Then Lordship, simply they are, they can avail the alternative remedy by filing appeal before the appeal authority.
Lordship, in those cases, because of 16(5) insertion, anyway, 16(4) demand goes, Lordship. So the assessing officer may be directed to issue fresh order after considering those amendments.
May I indicate, my case is the bench of this Guwahati High Court, in respect of the case for the period 1890, they have caused the section 168 extension of the period of assessment under section 73. Mine is pertaining to 1718, a year before that. I am challenging their jurisdiction. If they say that I go to the alternative remedy, I am on 3 counts. One is that they do not have the power to assess me, as because the notification, I can place it before your lordship that the notification is totally not according to the provision of law. Thereafter, I was not given.
Did you mention that some order has been passed by coordinate bench?
In respect of 1819, no.
No, 1819, but pertaining to your client.
No. See what happened, one coordinate bench has passed order in bunch of petition where there were 2 notifications, 9 of 2023 and 56 of 23. What has interfered with the 56 as because this was not recommendation of the GST Council and given liberty to the department, they can avail 168.82.
What is the particulars of that?
See 3585 2024.
35?
3585 2024. And let's say interestingly, the 53 GST Council approved that notification, but unfortunately that could not be produced because of the learned single thing. So let's say we have given instruction from the department to file review petition in that case. Let's see bringing on all these notifications before the court.
All right, then these matters we close it. Rest of the matters.
Lordships,
First,
may I
Lordship will
request
take
if
up
Lordships
16(4)
can,
matters today, if your Lordship pleases.
Hmm.
In the second, subsequent date, Lordship, if those petitioners who wish to avail benefit under section 128A by waiver of interest and penalty, those can be taken up, Lordship. And subsequently, those petitioners who want to still challenge the notification of extension of assessment time, then that can be taken up, Lordship, if your Lordship pleases.
No, but in that case, you'll have to give them time to file their counters.
Yes,
or
Lordship.
Yes,
respond.
they have already filed, Lordship. If they want to
filed?
Yes, we
subsequently file,
Lordship revise affidavit in all the cases.
they have filed
You
2
filed.
affidavits already, Lordship.
Lordships, may I request, while Lordships are disposing of the petitions, Lordships may quash the order and restore it to the file of the officer so that he can pass the fresh order in accordance with the amendment. Because
That is
as of
what-
now, there is no procedure notified.
That is what we intend to do.
Lordship.
Yes.
We have no objection.
Oblige, Lordship. Oblige.
Because somebody will have to verify that you satisfy to the amendment, that
Yes.
whatever
yes.
consequences follow, whatever benefits are to be given to you, should be given. In which matters have you filed your reply?
Lordship, in item number 24.
That is disposed
Is
of.
disposed of. We'll file lordship revised affidavit in all the cases, individual cases.
Because if you see the heading, it says reply not filed. So registry has done some work.
Yeah.
Most of the matters, the
We
replies
have
are
filed
not
one,
filed.
central government has filed common affidavit. We filed 2 affidavit. Lordship will file revised affidavit on the basis of latest recommendation of the
All
JP.
right. Heard. Or give the names of all councillors. Mr. Saraf, Mr. Gupta, Mr. Metala. You are led by Mr.
Jain, A Jain,
Mr. Jain
A Jain.
and Mr. Ena and MS N Gogoi for all the writ petitioner. You give the numbers, connected numbers of your writ petitions or item numbers to the court master in matters which you are appearing. These matters stand are to be disposed of in terms of the amendment brought in by the Union of India pursuant to the GST Council's resolutions adopted. We'll have to retain this
Lordship.
book for you.
Yes, sir.
All right. You should be a little more magnanimous and get more copies for the court at least.
Lordship.
Writ petitions and pass over. These matters. We are not
Lordship,
disposing of 67. In the rest of the matters, in
Lordship, 67.
Rest of the matters, you write standing counsel Mr. H.C. Kial submits that an affidavit would be necessary. He prays for 2 weeks' time, file affidavit.
As well as the state law.
Mr. B. Chaudhary, appearing for the State Council, also makes similar prayer. Mr. Dr. Gogoi for
46 to 50. 46
for appearing for whom?
GST. Assisting it as SC
Central,
constitution.
Central. Okay. Dr. Gogoi appearing in item number 20 for as standing counsel, GST.
Lordship,
Also submits that
Lordship,
necessary affidavit. The
Lordship,
matters be listed immediately after the open. Yes.
Lordship, item number 57, Milord. The specific one of the pleading is that they did not give the opportunity of being heard, Milordship. Even that last time your Lordship has directed the respondent counsel to obtain instructions, Milordship. Maybe that
57.
also may 67, Milord. 67, Milord.
67 we are segregating it.
Yes, Milord.
Yeah.
That
These
the
matters
granting
be-
of hearing may also be the specific instructions.
Sorry, can you repeat?
My Lordship, item number 67, one of my pleadings before your Lordship is that the impugned order was passed without granting the opportunity of being heard, my Lordship.
We will hear the matter. The respondents are permitted to file their response. Matters will come up after
then-
2 weeks.
My Lordship, one request is, my Lord, in the initial day, because matter was tied to batch, the interim order was not passed, my Lordship. Till then, the production order may be given.
No, we don't intend to pass any interim orders in piecemeal. Whatever is passed is passed. Whatever is not there, we'll consider after reopening.
Past orders may continue, Lord.
You tell us a date on which you want the matters.
My Lordship, immediately after the vacation, my Lord.
22 तारीख की है ना? Gimana? Sorry, October.
Those can be fixed in November, Lordship.
Mr. KL, how much time?
During the vacation, we'll prepare the affidavit.
So then we'll have it on 22nd of October.
Interim orders, Lordship, if any,
The
shall continue.
interim orders where passed will continue till the next 8 weeks.
Lordship,
22nd.
my specific request is, my Lordship, the order was passed without granting hearing. And before completion of 3 months to file appeal or take action also, the majority of the amount was already recovered, my Lord. That is my apprehension, that balance also they recover it, my Lordship. That is where I'm requesting the Lordship to give a interim order till the next date of hearing, my Lordship.
Item 67. till the next date fixed, no further proceedings without leave of the court. Yes.
Deeply obliged.
Obliged, Lordship.
Obliged.
There is a repetition also. Need to be in a WPT 3535 85 2024. Take a copy of the order. Suppose. Take a document. Yes.
My lord, in this matter, the lower court has granted bail after the default period is over. I have been informed, my lord.
Very good.
My lord. My lord.
It is submitted by the counsel for the petitioner that the concerned court before whom the charge sheet has been filed. Which court is it?
This is my lord CGM Kokrajhar.
Do you have that order? Are you
I
specifically
don't have
instructed?
that. I've been informed, my lord.
Which court?
This is Chief Judicial Magistrate Kokrajhar, my lord.
CJM Kokrajhar has enlarged the petitioner on bail after completion of the default period in custody. So, in that view of the matter, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits on instructions that the petitioner does not wish to press the bail petition any further. Accordingly, the same stands dismissed as not pressed.
Obliged, my lord.
Roll corridor. Where's the APP? The APP is not here. So we are posting it for listing before the first available vacation court.
After vacation.
After vacation.
Because I will not be available.
All right. Learned
Tomorrow,
APP,
my lord, I am available.
tomorrow is not possible. Mr. M.R. Khandakar appears for the petitioner. None appears for the state of Assam. In spite of the and none appears for the state of Assam. So as per order dated 2009-2024, additional PP was sought some time to call for up-to-date case data. So accordingly, so it is submitted by the learned counsel for the petition that in the since the updated CD is not available, matter be listed before after vacation.
On 22 or 20.
Matter be listed on 22nd.